Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video ay narito po tayo para sa ating The Countdown, The Blindcast 2025 Christmas Presentation. ABS-CBN has released its Christmas Station ID for 2022, rekindling the holiday spirit among many Filipinos as it continues its annual tradition of showing what it means to be a family during the Yuletide season. Featuring ABS-CBN's most popular actors and singers, the song enjoins Filipinos to find joy in each other and thank God for the gift of love and family during the Christmas season. ABS-CBN Christmas Station IDs proved to have an enduring effect among Filipinos as they continue to be played at family gathering and Christmas parties, and even inspired clothing items and other memorabilia. Here are the most popular ABS-CBN Christmas Station IDs in the past years, according to their YouTube views as of year 2022, from lowest to highest views. Let the countdown begin! At number 10, Isang Pamilya Tayo Ngayong Pasko 2016 Christmas Station ID with 13,082,000 views. At number 9, Ikaw ang Liwanag at Ligaya 2020 Christmas Station ID with 15,658,000 views.
Dahil ikaw ang liwanag at ligaya. Ikaw lang, ikaw lang, ikaw ang liwanag at ligaya. Ikaw lang, ikaw lang, ikaw ang liwanag at ligaya.
At number 8, ngayong Pasko, magniningning ang Pilipino 2010 Christmas Station ID with 17,629,000 views.
Pinapala na may kapal ngayong Pasko, magniningning ang Pilipino. Magandang tadhanang naghihintay, pupuntahan natin Maska.
At number 7, Family is Love 2018 Christmas Station ID with 18,715,000 views.
Sa pamilya mo, na Pasko, family is love. Family is love. So just love, love, love. Love, love, love.
At number 6, Family is Forever 2019 Christmas Station ID with 19,250,000 views.
Muling magkakakulay ang Pasko. Forever, forever, family is forever. Forever, forever, family is forever.
At number 5, magkasama tayo sa Kwento ng Pasko 2013 Christmas Station ID with 29,158,000 views.
Ay magkasama tayo sa kwento ng Pasko. Kwento ng Pasko.
At number 4, Thank you, ang babait ninyo 2014 Christmas Station ID with 32,124,000 views. At number 3, Thank You for the Love 2015 Christmas Station ID with 36,777 views.
Thank you for the love. Na 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 na. Thank you for the love.
At number 2, Just Love Ngayong Christmas 2017 Christmas Station ID with 46,518 views. At number 1, Bro, Ikaw ang Star ng Pasko 2009 Christmas Station ID with 50,199,000 views.
Salamat sa liwanag mo. Muling magkakakulay ang Pasko.
Ngayong 2025, ABS-CBN Christmas Station ID titled Let the Light and Shines This Christmas has a release date of November 10 and 14, 2025. A teaser for the 2025 station ID, Love and Joy and Hope, was released in October of 2025. Fans have also speculated that the lineup will include a surprise guest. ABS-CBN's Christmas Station IDs are distinct for being a series of yearly theme songs that feature kapamilya stars and celebrate the Christmas season in the Philippines. They are known for their emotional impact, nostalgic value, and their ability to reflect the year's Filipino experiences, from celebrating unity to inspiring resilience during difficult times. These station IDs are distinct due to their unique, highly produced songs, large-scale productions, and consistent themes of hope, family, and Filipino spirit. Ang video po nito ay mapapanood din ninyo sa Facebook, Instagram, Threads, TikTok, Twitter, at sa aking official YouTube channel. At I'm Clark Garcia 2. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comments, and click the bell para ma-notify pa po kayo sa mga susunod pa nating mga episodes. If you have any suggestions, comments, or reactions, don't forget to write down on the comment sections. And I'm Clark Garcia 2. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you on our next episode. And God bless us all. At ito po ang The Vlogcast. Bumabati po sa inyo ng isang maligayang Pasko at manigong bagong taon. December in our hearts on The Vlogcast. Last quarter countdown to 2026. 2,100 YouTube subscribers and counting. The 2025 Christmas Countdown on Smule, Year 8 from September 7 to December 21, 2025. The Vlogcast, my official YouTube channel.